Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Airy Fairy here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So this look is going to be for Valentine's Day. It's a cut crease, it's very dramatic. So yeah, let's get to the video. Hey beauties, so let's get started. The first thing that I always do is I take the Badescu spray and I spray it all over my face. Now I'm just doing my brows. I'm going to be doing a full how-to on brows video. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. Now on a flat brush, I'm taking Layin Low by MAC. This is an eyeshadow primer. This primer is really good for oily eyes. For me, I have really oily skin and my eyelids are kind of the worst. So this is really good. It helps my eyeshadow stay on all day and all night. After I apply Layin Low all over my lids, I am taking a fluffy brush to blend out the harsh line so the eyeshadow doesn't stick to it. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite transition eyeshadows, which is Saddle by MAC, and I'm putting that in the crease. And the brush that I'm using for Saddle is a MAC 217 brush. Now I'm taking Swiss Chocolate with a smaller, more defined crease brush to really get that contour in my eye. Now I'm taking a clean 217 brush and just blending out the harsh lines. This is the fun part. This is where you take your concealer and you put it on a really flat defined brush. This brush is for lips, but I like to use it for cutting my crease for the concealer. And you just follow the line so you can create that cut crease. What I do first is I create the line, and then once the line is created, I like to fill in the bottom part. To make it easier, make sure that your hand is on a flat surface while you do the line, so you don't have any movement or your hand's not shaky, so you get a perfect line. Also, what might help too, if you take your mirror and you tilt it upwards, just so you can really see where your crease is, where you can create that line. Now I'm taking a flat brush just to get the excess of the concealer off of my eye. Now I'm taking this pointed brush to blend the concealer and the crease together to make the line more defined. Now I'm taking Makeup Geek Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Afterglow, and I'm putting that all over my lid where I put the concealer. And notice that I'm tapping the product on instead of wiping it back and forth, just so it can really stick onto the concealer. This is my favorite palette, the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using the color Cyprus Umber, and it's a dark brown. I'm just putting that in the outer corner of my eye, just to define the crease more. So to make your crease more defined, you really want to get the eyeshadow in there. I'm really just packing it in, trying to make that dramatic contour in my eye. With a clean brush, I'm just blending the outer V. It never hurts just to have a dance party now and again while you're doing your makeup. I'm still using this liner by L'Oreal. You see that I shake it like crazy trying to get it to work. So this is the finished result of the eyes. So I just put my lashes on off camera. I'm also going to be doing a how-to lashes video. Now I'm taking the Too Faced Poreless Primer. With a fluffy dual fiber brush, I'm taking MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC45 and just pouncing that all over my face. Remember, don't forget your neck when you do your foundation, because you don't want to see the difference between the foundation and your neck. So just drag it down so it all continues. By using a similar brush, I'm taking MAC's Studio Fix Powder, and I'm just putting that right on top of the liquid just to set it so it lasts all night. Now I'm taking the same concealer by Tarte. It's called Shape Tape, which is my favorite, and I'm just putting that under my eye along with the LA Girls in the color Toffee, and I'm just blending those two together since I think tan is a little too light all over. I just mix them together. Now I'm just blending it with a dual fiber brush, and this brush is one of the Amazon brushes that I have in the description box. There is nothing like this setting powder. This setting powder is amazing. It does not crease. It literally stays on all day, and it's really great for baking. This is the Laura Mercier setting powder. It's so bomb, you guys. Honestly, once you get it, you're never gonna go back to another setting powder. I'm highlighting my nose, on my lip, on my forehead. This is just the highest parts of my face that I want to highlight. This is the only contour powder I use. This is MAC Blunt. It is honestly the best thing for my skin. And I'm taking that with a C525 crown brush. Now I'm just taking that Real Techniques setting brush and just making the contour stronger. Since it is Valentine's Day, I'm taking a pinky blush. This blush is by MAC. It is called Peach Twist. Remember, blending is your friend, and you want to blend as much as you can just to make the look more airbrushed. Guys, I'm sorry, I thought that they brought this highlighter back. This is MAC Whisper of Guilt, but I do have some dupes down below for you guys, so check that out. I always put eyeshadow on the bottom of my eye just to make the look more continued. So I'm taking MAC Saddle and just putting that underneath my lash line. And I'm doing the same with Makeup Geek Afterglow. I'm putting that in the inner corner just to open my eyes a little bit more. And now I'm taking a clean brush just to blend it out, just to smoke the bottom out a little bit more and make it look a little more airbrushed. This is one of my everyday eyeliners. This is NARS. So I definitely can't say the name. I'm gonna have it down below, but it's just a light almond color. I like that rather than white because I feel like white is a little too alarming for me. Yes, I'm still working with this Chanel mascara. I promise I'm gonna go shopping, guys. I'm gonna get the Stila eyeliner and I'm gonna get some mascara. With this look, I chose to do a red, and this is MAC Ruby Woo. This is amazing red. This red looks good on literally any skin tone. It's so complimenting. Along with Ruby Woo, I'm using MAC Brick Lip Liner. And my packaging looks different because this was part of the Rihanna line. For lip liner, it's easier to smile and just outline the line that way rather than have your lips flat, because when you smile, your lips stretch, so it's a lot easier for you to create that lip line. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're a newcomer to my channel, be a part of my family, and comment on what you want to see next. If you like this look, if you accomplished this look and you wore it out, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this look and I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. See you soon.